And just again, very briefly, if I may summarize the key concepts behind the model law on cross-border insolvency, it operates on having a streamlined structure or platform for adopting court, recognizing court, to give recognition or assistance to a foreign proceeding, which must be a collective proceeding. So the model law defines what a collective proceeding is. In a nutshell, it's got to be either a liquidation, reorganization, judicial management, administration, or scheme process where there's some kind of court supervision of a compromise or proposal for the benefit of the collectors, for the collective benefit of creditors. There is also the concept of the center of main interest, and Justice Harris and Yuhan also alluded to that just now. And the model law placing emphasis on the center of main interest on the COMI as determining whether a foreign proceeding is a foreign non-main or foreign main proceeding. And again, summarizing the position, if it's a foreign main proceeding, certain reliefs that the recognizing court may grant are automatic. For example, stay of execution, stay of enforcement, whereas for a foreign non-main proceeding, the same reliefs are discretionary. The recognizing court will then look at the application for recognition and determine the kind or the type of recognition or assistance that's granted. The recognizing court looks at the powers that the foreign insolvency office holder is seeking to obtain in the local court. And there's a lot of discussion and debate as well on the extent of the powers the recognizing court can grant. But again, simplifying for today's purposes, the typical reliefs and powers include having a stay against action against enforcement in the domestic recognizing courts, as well as sometimes entrusting assets to the foreign insolvency office holder to be administered for the benefits of the creditors as a whole. And in the model law, there is also a limitation on recognition and assistance such that the domestic court is not obliged to grant recognition or assistance if doing so will be contrary to the public policy of the recognizing court. So you can see that built-in mechanism there, and public policy, of course, can have different shades of meaning.